Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send blank empty messages on BiP Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: first of all, open your browser and in this search box type emptycharacter.com and scroll down. Here you will find this method 1, so all you have to need, just click on copy to clipboard and now open your BiP Messenger and open the conversation where you want to send blank or empty message and simply paste the copied text here and tap on send. So that's how we can send empty or blank message on BiP Messenger. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.